सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा. Take pride that you live in a country that has a glorious and diverse history and a rich heritage. Hello everyone, I am Ms. Richa Verma, a teacher at GoldenBee Global, Banagatta campus. Republic Day of India is one of the most important national events for India and its citizens. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. Every year, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. On Republic Day, we honor and remember our martyred soldiers who have sacrificed their lives for our country. The main Republic Day celebration takes place at New Delhi at the Kartavya Path before the President of India. The event displays India's military prowess and promotes India's rich and diverse culture and its heritage. The President of India confers bravery awards to military persons, citizens and children who have shown their courage in the face of adversity. Indians celebrate Republic Day with great zeal, joy and jubilation all over the country. Let's unite in the spirit of patriotism to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all of us. Jai Hind!
GoldenBee Global, Beehive of Learning.